What's up everyone, welcome to another vlog. This is continuation from yesterday's vlog, so go check out if it doesn't make sense. This vlog, I think it's gonna be very small or at least limited to what I'm doing. I'm going to check out another property. Bye Bruna. Bye Annie.
Bye.
I'm sorry that you can't come.
I'm also sorry that I can't come.
But I'll have the videos and drone shots for you. I love this neighbor. Look, he will say hi to me. It's a $1 million, almost $1 million home. It's like massive. मतलब बहुत बड़ा घर है. आपको drone shot से दिखाऊंगा, पागल हो जाओगे. मतलब मैं खुद पागल हो रहा हूँ. But I think it is going to be worth it. क्योंकि ये जो property है ना, वो property इतनी बड़ी है कि उस पे आप 2-3 घर और बना सकते हो और सारे के सारे घर rent पे डाल सकते हो. It's so smoky. This is where it opens. That's the house. This is massive, like super big. You see, that's the entrance. This whole thing, the whole property is 5 acres. The property is hosted by Nick Sotheby. It is hosted by the company called Nick Sotheby International Realty, and my agent's name is Catherine Osikin. She's a little shy, so not in this one, but maybe next one we will bring her on the channel. Also, before you ask me, I'll tell you that yes, I'm still on H-1B visa, and yes, you can still buy a... My camera just dropped and the mic is gone, so the audio will be horrible. Yes, you can buy a house on H-1B visa. Yes, I am on H-1B visa, and yes, you can make money on H-1B visa on rental income, as long as it doesn't have your daily job. Like it doesn't, that's not the only job and that's not your daily job. You can do it. Comment में बताना अगर इसके बारे में डिटेल में जानना चाहते हो तो. Look at it. The house starts there. This is all the house and this is the house. Wow, I have the permission to fly the drone, so you came from there and here's the entrance. My agent Catherine is like amazing. I'm ready to see inside. Okay, this is the entrance. Wow.
Isn't this gorgeous?
Awesome. This is like mansion, like it's not even a house. It's so how many is it? Like one floor? Is it there?
No, it's 2-story. You can see all the beautiful wood flooring. It's just gorgeous.
Awesome.
A lot of beautiful woodworking throughout the home.
Yeah. We can. Do you think we can go outside?
Absolutely.
Wow! Look at this fireplace.
Isn't this gorgeous? So all built-in bookshelves. Entertainment unit built in.
Nice.
All the windows and doors are on alarm system.
Yeah.
And they're triple pane. So throughout this home, we have triple pane windows. So we walk out to a beautiful cupboard.
Whoa.
Patio
This
area.
is
Open patio
awesome.
area.
Is that? I'm assuming that's the master bedroom. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
And it wraps all the way around.
Even master bedroom has a door. That's crazy.
And then down the property line is not this particular fence, but it's the one behind it. It's 5 acres.
Wow.
2 of the 5 acres were subdivided.
There's a lake.
That's Kukul Reservoir.
Reservoir. Okay. Wow. This is balcony patio. Wow. I can imagine myself coming outside and drinking my tea and coffee and enjoying this view. So that's the balcony and that's the living room. Kitchen is right there. Look at this. Super tall.
And if we look to the right to the kitchen,
yeah.
This is a wonderful open floor plan.
Oh wow,
and
yeah.
It's a beautiful marble.
It's so awesome.
Freezer.
And the fridge obviously comes with the house, right?
Yes, correct.
Wow, that's the size of the fridge. I can't believe it. This whole thing is kitchen. Like I can chop my vegetables here, also here, and this is where Caitlin can cook the food. This Caitlin is very good cook. 6 burner.
Gas burner.
So someone can cook
top.
6 dishes at the same time.
And it's a Viking. Great appliances throughout the kitchen.
Yeah, and this is oven, right?
Yes.
Super modern. Wow, look at this cute sink.
It was all hammered out copper.
Wow.
Dining room, this is what it was built to be.
So this was supposed to be dining room, but there's dining table right there. But could be office, could be dining room, however people want to use it, right? Yeah.
Beautiful wood sliding doors.
That's cool. Wow. And it has a TV. Okay, moving from that office dining / room towards this area, which has, this is the pantry. Can you believe this? Like, this whole thing you can, I mean obviously there's books, but you can use it as pantry. And then you can see outside, that's the front yard.
Patio area.
Patio area.
Got orange trees and lemon trees.
Wow.
And it's just very lovely.
Yeah. This is where the garage is. Can we show the garage?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Garage door.
And that's the security system. Wow. This is, oh my goodness. I can set up my studio over here.
And what they've done is, if you follow, if we go over here to this store,
Yeah.
this is the third car.
Oh
garage
wow.
that has been turned into kind of like
A movie room or something like, yeah, like a chillaxing room.
sitting area.
That makes sense.
Room.
So I can totally turn this into my YouTube studio.
Yes.
Just to make sure you understand, this is the car garage. It's a 2-car garage. It was supposed to be 3-car, but they converted this into this nice sitting area, lounging area, fun entertainment area.
But as you can see, the garage door is there, and you could turn it simply back into the 3rd-car garage
if you want to.
if you would like to.
Okay, and then there's the bathroom right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's the bathroom, that's me.
Beautiful tile work.
Yeah, and then that's the shower.
Beautiful shower open.
Yep. And that's the laundry room, and also Bruno can have his food over here. Alright, so going to now check out master bedroom. Look at this, it's awesome. Master bedroom. And then there's another bathroom over here.
Actually, a quarter bath.
Quarter bath, got it. So
There's
just
no-
quarter bath meaning just the toilet and
And
sink, no shower. But
No
they have shower, I mean master bathroom is right here.
Yes.
And that's the, look
This is
at
the
the size of the master bath bedroom. Wow. Bathroom is right here, and then this is the closet. This, I mean, this whole thing is a closet. And also you see this mirror, it's a new technology, not new technology, but you have an iron board right here, which falls like this. See? I think it has plenty of space for Caitlin's clothes. And then that's the bathroom. Wow.
Beautiful bathroom.
Yeah.
That tile.
And I mean, that's the shower, and that's the bathtub. Wow, it's fancy. It looks like a jacuzzi, yeah. There's all the buttons, so it's like a jacuzzi. There are all shower points, and you can have a nice view while you're taking a bath. Look at that. That's cool. So nice. And then the toilet is right here. And then this is the view of the master bedroom.
So you can walk out to the covered patio. You can
Also go
enjoy
the other
Kugel
way. Yep,
reservoir.
it's beautiful. I'm gonna go upstairs. I think we can totally play hide and seek, and I'll probably win. There's so many space to hide. Time to go upstairs. Wow, it's so massive. All the woodwork, which Catherine was telling me, is all fancy and unique and antique. Look at this. Wow. Very nice. It's very expensive.
And this over to the right,
Oh.
to the right is just a little office space.
Another office, so Caitlin can have her office and I can have my own office. And we have a studio too. That's where we came from. That's the office. That's the living room. Wow. and that's hallway. You can have 15-20 kids if you want to.
And you know what is really neat, Beauty, is you can pull the boards out and they actually make into two
like a
queen-size
bed.
beds.
Wow, that is so cool. But if you see from this angle, like look at this, is like how massive it is. I don't know if camera is doing the justice, but it is big. Here's the bathroom. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. I'm gonna go this one. Of course, you can turn into however you want, but this is how they have it. You can have full-size bedroom. This is the size. And then you go from here to this one. It's another bedroom. It's massive. This is like probably how my master bedroom is right now. So huge. And all of them have window and wood. There's closet right here. Desk right there. And then the bathroom is right here. It's a nice size bathroom. Has a bathtub, closet, toilet, and sink. Also has a whole house fan, which is awesome in the summer, so you can turn on and all the heat will be thrown out. They're asking what, like $950?
$949.9. Correct.
Got it. Okay, comment and let us know, should we buy this house? Also, Catherine is gonna come in the next vlog sometime where she's gonna explain the house buying process. We're gonna head out. We were just leaving the property, but Catherine told me you should show them this. I will show you what. Property is so massive, ma kasam. All of this is still the property. If I buy this house, all of this comes with me. That's my car. House is right there. This whole property is still part of the home. And these are all the solar panels they have installed. Lots of electricity getting produced, and this thing right here is a car shop. In America, everyone likes to have a car shop where they can work on cars, vintage cars, or their own cars, especially guys. I mean, it's a man's dream to have their own like kind of car where they can own space. Not sure this is gonna be open. We'll see. I'm scared because it says Alram and I don't want to open it and cause problems. I mean, look at this. This is so big. Like, you can have your own multiple cars. You can have your mechanical garage. Like, mechanics can rent this, and you know, so many ideas. It's massive. I need to fly a drone so you can understand how much is this property. छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी खो ना जाओ मैं रात दिन नजरों में तुम हो बसे कह दो जो एक बार मेरी हो बस तुम मेरे नजरों में तुम हो बसे हाँ मैं रुका हूँ तू जा चुका है हाँ मैं रुका जा चुका है रह जाऊंगा यूं ही बस यूं ही बस यूं ही. This property is crazy. It's so big. I mean, it's 5 acre. I mean, I hope you like that drone shot. Comment below. Would you like this house? I know you're probably wondering, how will I be able to afford this $1 million home? Well, it's all about personal finances, how you do the savings, how you do the investing, passive income. You need to build your passive income. And I talked about that in yesterday's vlog. If you haven't watched it, you should definitely check it out. Let me know in the comment section, because you've seen my background, where I come from, and now able to afford another home, 2 homes in United States now. At the end, my hope and my prayer and wishes is that you also buy multiple homes in United States or in whichever country you're living in. That's my goal and wish, that I make you successful through my knowledge and through the experiences I have. If you're following me, you know that I come from lower middle class family, from a 300 square feet home. This garage is bigger than and my home. That's my wish, that you become successful, and I'm here to help you, educate you and motivate you to do something big in the life. I still remember where I used to tell my friends and family कि यार मेरे को भी बड़ा घर खरीदना है, एक दिन बंगला होगा, बड़ा सा यार्ड होगा, स्विमिंग पूल होगा, ये होगा. इसमें स्विमिंग पूल नहीं है बट एनीवे, पॉइंट इज़ कि मैं भी ऐसे सोचता था और लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे. पीपल वाज नॉट बिलीविंग इन माई सेल्फ. I am telling you, there will be people who will not believe in your dreams, but you have to remember, वो सपना जो है वो आपका है. Your dream, it is yours, so you need to protect it, and it's only your dream because you can see it. They can't see through your eyes, so you need to just believe in yourself and keep working hard. Only way I was able to get this is through my hard work and hustle, and obviously be humble. Don't forget your roots. Don't forget where you come from. Be kind to everybody. I know मैं बहुत ज़्यादा भाषण दे रहा हूँ, तो वीडियो को इधर तक ही रखते हैं. बताना कैसा लगा, कमेंट भी करना, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अंटिल देन हंसते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो, क्योंकि मेहनत करना ज़रूरी है एवरी सिंगल डे, और जब मेहनत करें तो हंसते भी रहो.